So here's how we can rotate objects in a freeform on the iPad, and let's just get started. And if this is your first time here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So obviously we can start with the freeform, and you can get inside your existing boards. It's called boards. But of course you can start a new one, whatever. But the point is that every single object is like editable. So for instance, I can click on the imported images from the gallery or the stickers, right? So it gets selected like that, and you straight away have some features like the cropping tool, or the ability to make it show up in full screen or whatever. But you can always just grab it with your fingers and rotate it, right? So you have to perform this gesture, which might be a little bit harder to like get started. Sometimes it doesn't get recognized for whatever reason, but this is the way to do it, right? So you can obviously rotate whichever thing you want. It's a little bit simpler with things like these arrows, which have two like dots at each end, so you can grab it from each side and rotate it as much as you want. But these like specific images, or like stickers or whatever, you have to kind of like perform the gesture with your fingers, and you have to perform it in a specific way for it to be recognized. But yeah, it most definitely works. So I would really appreciate your feedback. Let me know in the comments below if you made it work on your device. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later.